Here we do have a fresh updraft, an area of convection going up, so just be aware that you may get some close range lightning strikes through this general area here. Anyway, that's enough of me talking. Sit back, enjoy the show, and yeah, this is starting to liven up. Paul, how you going, mate? You there? Yeah, I think we've got the box seat here. Whoa! That was a dog leg, eh? That was a massive clear air. That's that fresh updraft, man, coming to life. Yeah, it's tucked in behind. Yeah. I'm going to go, Paulie, because I'm just doing a couple of things, mate. Yeah, no, I've got everything going. Everything's set up and rolling here, mate. Yeah, sit back, mate. Enjoy watch it on the lot. Oh, baby. Yeah, this is yeah, sweet. I love it. I love it. That was a big CG out that rain shaft. Oh, mate, I'll leave it to it. This is livening up. See you, mate. Yeah, you can just see that rain shaft just here, guys, right here. That's where those big bolts. Oh, look, see all this fresh convection illuminating here with that intracloud lightning. This is a fresh convection that I'm talking about just here in front of that line of storm. So you may even see these clouds here start to flicker soon and start producing some lightning. Oh, there we go. But you can see the rain shaft just in the distance, just there. Oh, right there. Man, there's some punchy bolts in this. Staccatos, Vaughan. Big, bright staccatos being unleashed from these towers. Yeah, this is sick. Sorry about the art. Oh, bang. Sorry about the laid back commentary, guys, but when I get a bit a bit excited, yeah, the old passion starts to leak out in the old lingo. But yeah, this is a prime spot for these storms, guys. As you can see, pretty much got front stage to these storms. You probably couldn't ask them for a better place, especially when it's hard to find open spaced areas in urban areas like this. So this storm is pretty much in a perfect, there's a big updraft there, fresh updraft. Oh, this is yeah, some good lightning rates here. Oh, look at that updraft now, Vaughan. There's a massive updraft just in here, guys. You may see it when we get another lightning strike or intracloud lightning flash that illuminates it. But in here, there is a fresh updraft. I just want to swivel that a little bit because oh, focus. These storms that you're seeing now, guys, are pretty much the storms that are over the city. Okay, we're just looking at it from a distant view. Oh, there was a nice bolt. Hey Vaughan, how do I... Oh. Jesus. Just that horizon, mate. I think it's a bit crooked. Hey. Yeah, sort of. Oh, sorry guys. I shouldn't have touched it. Yeah, there we go. Is that... No. I don't know why it struggles. I'm just trying to focus on those. Oh wow! Did you? I was off doing it. Oh, that was in. Oh! Oh, go back in focus. Oh, this is nuts. Well, this could be the entree to what's... Oh, there's a nice base there. This could be the entree to what's expected tomorrow anyway, so... yeah. There's a... This is going to come spark. It's lost its black core, but look at it. This is going to just bypass us. You'll run parallel with the... Oh. This is just nuts. There's going to be flat photos on here. Look at this boat. Look at this base here, Vaughan. Wow. See that? See that fresh updraft and the base is just... Imagine have a look. Watch the updrafts. Imagine a big dog. Oh. This one here is you laughing, mate. Come on, I'm waiting for the big bolt, man. It hasn't, Oh! 3 bangers! the triple strike. That was the trifecta. Up, I'm gonna get back in focus. Oh, there we go. Ah! Anyways, guys, I hope you're, oh my God, enjoying the live stream. This is what I've, oh my God, this is what I've been trying to get you guys for a while. Something that's fairly active, something that is fairly interesting. And tonight, you're being treated here. You got a bit of structure. Oops, I don't know why this camera keeps going out of focus, guys. I do apologise. Keeps trying to refocus. Well, surely we've got to have some epic photos more. Oh. Remember that photo I was looking for, Vaughan, of a big lightning bolt over that house? I'll get it tonight.
Well, probably have.
Oh, focus again. Sorry, guys. I don't know why it's going out of focus. That was close, Vaughan. That was just in here. See? Went out again. Maybe you just... Oh my God. That was like... I can't wait to watch this again. Hey?
Where's your phone?
Oh, thunder.
Keep hitting that.
1980. Staying in focus now, mate. Is that a fucking wall cloud? There's a wall.
Yeah.
Look, man.
I'm on phone just then.
Look. What is that?
I don't know. It's something.
There is some kind of
Yeah, I can see it.
there's some kind of base feature
Yeah.
going on here. Oh, there's some kind of base feature here. I don't know if it's a bit of a scud lowering or I don't know what that is. Just here. I think it's a wall cloud, but there is a lowering on that. It'll be the leading edge.
Yep, there's definitely some lowering there.
Hey?
Definitely some lowering there.
I don't know what it is, but there's definitely something there. Bit of a base feature. It's got a bit of a leaning motion like a... Oh, what the hell was that out there? What's going on here, Vaughan? This is the ideal spot, mate. I'm telling you, if you're sitting at home in bed and you don't have to work tomorrow and you're not underneath this thing and you're looking on it from the outside in like we are, always like this perspective. You're not in the rain and it's beautiful for photography. That lowering's still there, Vaughan. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
But that, you can see the big rain shaft now. There's your rain shaft. There's your base feature. The updraft will be up here. There'll be a strong updraft up above, obviously. But you can see the eastern flank of that storm now, with a bit of activity on the leading edge. Whoa. This is just nuts. This is... And as I said before to you guys, you get most of your lightning within that rain shaft. And whoa! That was a clear air, Vaughan. This is spitting out clear airs in the anvil, which is blowing to the southeast. Yep. People loving it. Mate, look at that rain shaft.
Yeah.
See the eastern flank of that storm, mate?
Yeah.
This is the prime spot. This is ideal, absolutely ideal, mate. Vaughan, you need a radar off that, mate. This is starting to build out here, I think. Yeah, it's...
Take it up where that's set. So they upset the light.
Yep. This is actually heading straight down the middle of Port Phillip Bay from the city, tracking south, straight down the guts of Port Phillip Bay. Yep. Oh, did you see? Yeah. Oh, did you see? Something just got hit, man.
Did it?
Did you see that aqua green power flash? Something just got hit. Something just got smacked by a massive CG. Oh, this camera keeps going out of focus, Vaughan.
Check the battery over.
Something just got smacked. I think it might have been a transformer by the CG.
Oh.
This is struggling to stay in focus, so I do apologise, guys. I'm trying to get this focus sorted out for you as much as I can, but it's been a pain in the backside. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this is arcing up, this storm, guys. Vaughan, it's going in and out.
It's just Facebook. The, can't lock it.
I can't lock the focus on on Facebook Live, unfortunately. Yeah, stop it, would you, please? It's trying to focus. I can't believe you didn't see that massive green glow, mate. Oh, stop it, would you, camera? I want to try and... Yeah, that's what I just did. Alright. It seems to have adjusted. It's all... No. There it goes. I hope I got that power flash, man.
Yeah.
The whole, it was just a massive green glow, mate, for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 seconds.
Yeah.
Double tap. Alright, I'll try that. Oh, Jesus, now you can see me. Oops, rotate. No double tap working here. Turn around. That's one big rain shaft.
The battery went flat. It's hard to run off. You'll have to get your battery.
I have no idea, Ryan. It's actually on the live stream. I've got no idea what that noise is. Sounds like someone's got a chainsaw out or something. But yeah, neither did I, Darren. I said to Vaughan, I said, wouldn't it be nice if something just spontaneously happened tonight? And someone heard me. What the hell was that for?
That was a big bolt.
Whereabouts?
Funny, look. That way.
You won't see what's that. Look, when you watch it again, have a look at that massive glow, mate. That looks phenomenal. Oh. Here's the anvil, Vaughan. That's what it was, anvil bolts coming out here. Oh, look at that wall of water. Did you see that then?
Yeah.
Look, just here. Oh, we're going to get some close range bolts, man.
Yeah.
That's a new range shaft. Yep. There's a big wall of water just in front of us, so you probably will end up seeing some more closer bolts. So, yeah, you definitely will. This is one little, I wouldn't say little anymore, but this is one angry storm. Yeah, plenty more storms tomorrow, guys. Don't worry about that.
Your camera still good?
Yep.
Focused on the right area?
Hey?
Still focused on the right area?
Yeah, I might just stop it for a minute because I want to see.
Make sure you're getting...
I reckon there's going to be some. Actually, I'm just going to let it go because there'll be some fresh bolts born out of here, I reckon. With that closer stuff. You can see that base feature just then being illuminated. It's looking at. Oh! Scared the hell out of me. See the power flash? It did it again. Something else got hit.
Yeah.
Was that a... Oh my... What the hell? Scared the hell out of me. See the power flash? It did it again. Something else got hit.
Yeah.
Was that a... Oh my... What the hell?
What was... Yep.
There is a lot of electrical equipment being hit here.
Oh. You can see the glow in the photo.
Oh my God. What I'll say, out of that base this side. I told you to get some big bolts out of this side of that new fresh base. Yeah, that's that fresh base, guys, that I was telling you about, which is just in here, and that's generating some nice clean CGs on this side of the storm. You always look for that fresh base when you're doing photography, because as that storm updraft punches up into the atmosphere, usually you get a rush of fresh bolts. Oh, this is not focusing. Please just focus. It's got to adjust. Yep, I'm in line. Oh, fuck. I'm in line with that big tree there, Vaughan. Vaughan? Vaughan?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry about the language then, guys. It's getting a bit crazy out here. I reckon there's going to be some more big bolts here, Vaughan. That's what I said, man. Don't always focus on the fresh. The fresh. I don't know where the hell that was, Vaughan, but we've got some big clear airs coming out the the anvil main over here. They are. Oh. No, very slow moving, Nicky. Which is good. Why? Because then it hangs around for a longer period of time. I'm just going to turn it around a bit that way, Vaughan.
Yeah.
Or do you or don't you? Do you or don't you? That's the question. What the hell's all this? Low level. Where are you going? Over the fence? We're in Dandenong South. Whoever that was asking, your name disappeared before I could see no. Not at this stage, Zoe. She's a little bit too far west for you. Yeah. Yeah, I know, mate. I'm getting a bit nervous about that. It's all anvil lightning, mate. And we're under the anvil. Just want to turn the camera around here. Just bear with us for a minute, guys. I'm just going to swing you around just a little bit. Oh, Jesus. And we'll just straighten you up a little bit. That's that. Oh. Yep, it's better. And fix the focus. Oh, just at the moment, I don't know who was asking which wall. I don't know who was asking which way I was facing. Now I'm facing to the west, guys. So I'm in Dandenong South, and now I'm looking directly towards Carrum. Jesus Christ. I don't think I've put this one too quick, Paul. Oh my fuck. Won't get there. Oh no, it's flipping. Oh, nah. Get the car, man. Get the car. This is fucking dangerous. This is dangerous, man. Yep. Just be with us, guys. We're getting some close range lightning here in the paddocks, and not really a smart place to be. Yep. I'm just going to turn my camera around, guys, and face it in the new area, and I'll be on the side. I'm just going to go and sit in the car. Always play it safe. Safety first, because you've seen what's happened on the other side with those power flashes before. Oh, not again. I'm getting in the cup, Vaughan. I know. I know. We could. Yeah, there's a new sail, guys. I think it's over the Dandenongs, to be honest with you. What the hell's that? That's rain roar, Vaughan. You can actually hear the rain coming in the distance like a massive roar. Yeah, I'm fucking stop. Vaughan. This is dangerous, bro. Fuck. Vaughan, pop in the car, man. I'm turning the car around. You see what happens, man, on the other side of the boat. The power flows in front. I don't want to become one of those. What was that?
Massive sea trees. Wait, faces.
Yeah. Here comes the rain, Vaughan. Good to end the live feed, guys. Might be back soon.